Let's be honest. You spend more time on this throne than you do in your car. So why are you still settling for a relic? The bathroom tech revolution is here, and what these new toilets can do will absolutely blow your mind. We've flushed out the competition, and today, we're revealing the top 5 that are redefining comfort, cleanliness, and pure luxury. One of them has features so advanced, it'll make you feel like you're living in 2035. Starting at number 1. Toto Drake Cotton Elongated Standard Height Toilet. Best overall. While many toilets can get the job done, the Toto Drake toilet impressed us far beyond any other toilet we have used. Our tester loved this toilet so much that she purchased 4 more to install in the other bathrooms in her home. It only took 1 hour to remove the old toilet and install the Toto. Although we hired a professional to install the toilet, the directions were clear and simple to understand if you prefer to do it yourself, as long as you have previous plumbing experience. The toilet only has 1 flush setting, but the tornado flush was more than strong enough to consistently dispose of waste and keep the bowl clean. In fact, the flush was so effective that it never clogged, overflowed, or even required a second flush over 6 months of testing. We even noticed a reduction in water usage because the toilet never required a second flush. Cleaning the toilet was also a breeze. We only needed to clean the toilet once during testing, and it was only to scrub away a rusty water line. The powerful flush rinses every inch of the bowl, and the toilet has a rimless design that prevents grime from building up under the rim. With an elongated bowl and a standard seat height, we found it very comfortable to sit on the toilet. The toilet doesn't include a toilet seat, but we liked that we could pick exactly the type of seat we wanted. We thought the toilet was a steal for the price and how effective it was, even though it doesn't include a seat. Number 2. Kohler Highline Classic Toilet. Best Pressure Assisted. If you prefer a pressure-assisted toilet for a more powerful flush, we love this option from Kohler. Since it's a 2-piece toilet, it's easier to install and repair than 1-piece options. We installed the toilet ourselves, and it only took us about an hour to install following the instructions. Even though it was our first time installing a new toilet, we thought the instructions were clear and easy to understand, so it's ideal for first-time DIYers. We immediately noticed that the toilet flushed with much more force than our previous toilet. The pressure-assisted flush was strong enough to easily dispose of any waste with only 1 flush. Since the flush is so powerful, it's also slightly louder than we were used to, but in the end we were fine with the trade-off because the power makes the toilet more effective. Although the flush is very powerful, it was obvious that the toilet used less water than our old toilet, making it a good choice if you want to reduce your water bill. We didn't experience any clogs or overflowing after 6 months of using the toilet. We thought the toilet was very easy to clean with just a toilet brush, and we didn't even need to use a toilet bowl cleaner. The toilet also features an enamel coating that helps keep the bowl clean. At 17 inches tall, we thought the seat height was very comfortable, especially for tall people. The elongated bowl shape also made it more comfortable to sit on the toilet. We installed a Kohler elongated seat, which is sold separately for less than $40. Number 3. Toto Aquia 4 Comfort Height Toilet. Best 1-piece. Although the Toto Aquia 4 is a bit more expensive than some of our other picks, Toto is known for their durable and high-quality toilets. The brand also makes our best overall pick. This toilet even survived a house fire during testing, so you can trust that it will last. We love the sleek design of the toilet that made it convenient to clean, both inside and out. Rather than a handle on the side, the toilet has a button on the top to flush, so it was easy to wipe clean. The toilet features Toto's signature tornado flush that reaches every inch of the bowl, so you don't have to clean it as often. A ceramic glaze inside the bowl also prevents waste from sticking to the surface. Throughout 6 months of testing, we never needed to flush a second time. We thought the water pressure was ideal, and we never had an issue with clogging or overflowing. The toilet only uses 0.9 or 1.28 gallons of water per flush depending on which flush option you use, which is much less than the standard 1.6 gallons per flush. However, the flush is still strong enough to keep the bowl clean, and the dual flush system helps conserve water to lower your water bill. We hired a plumber to install the toilet, but the installation was straightforward and only took about an hour to complete. The seat sits a bit higher than standard toilets, making it comfortable for a wide range of users. It also includes an elongated seat that offers enhanced comfort, but we opted to swap it out for the Toto Bidet seat. However, the bidet adds a couple of inches to the seat, so it may be too tall for some people. Number 4. Toto Entrada Toilet. Best Round Bowl. While elongated bowls can add a bit of comfort to your toilet, a round bowl saves space in your bathroom. The Toto and Trotto toilet has a compact size and round bowl to fit nicely in small bathrooms. We installed the toilet ourselves and thought the instructions were clear and easy to understand. It took us less than an hour to install, so it's a great option if you want a quick and simple installation. The toilet's water pressure was sufficient enough to prevent any clogging or overflowing during testing. It has just one flush setting, but it successfully flushed both solid and liquid waste with ease. Number 5. Woodbridge Smart Toilet. Best Bidet Toilet. We love the bidet features and variety of smart settings on the Woodbridge Smart Toilet. The toilet includes all the bells and whistles to enhance your bathroom experience, including a heated seat, automatic open/close lid, automatic flush, automatic deodorization, and even a wireless remote control. The bidet includes front and rear washing, adjustable temperatures, and a dryer for optimal comfort. We thought the bidet features worked extremely well and were highly customizable, a true luxury experience. While it took us about an hour to install most of the toilets on this list, either ourselves or by a professional, the extra features made the installation process for this model more involved. Still, it only took about 2 hours, start to finish, and we didn't find the process overly complicated. The toilet has strong water pressure and uses a pre-flush setting to keep waste from clinging to the bowl. The toilet itself was essentially self-cleaning with the auto-deodorization and foam cleaning functions, so we never had to clean it with a toilet brush. And that is how you upgrade the most important room in your house. To finally experience the bliss of a heated seat, a self-cleaning bowl, or a bidet that feels like a spa day, every single link to these modern marvels is waiting for you in the video description. If your bathroom is ready for its 2025 glow up, do us a huge favor, hit that like button, share this with someone who needs a bathroom upgrade, and subscribe for more home secrets that are worth every penny.